Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you and share you the video editing tutorial using the one of the movie of the Squid Game. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, you can use the platform such as the CapCut, like I'm using now. It's a CapCut and I'm using it from my Android phone. And don't worry because you can also play with it into your iOS or also the laptop and tab. And also don't forget to upload it into your project. And for example, this is the movie that I have also divide this movie to become the several parts, and also what effect that I apply for each clip over here. For example, this clip 1 and 2, I'm sorry, I have copied or duplicated, and for this first clip I use the effect here. I'm using the video effect and I use the super large spot here, and you can apply it to create the opening of the video. Then you can use the duplicated clip and add the effect. For example, for the second clip I use the effect of the one-way shift, and you can apply it. And also don't forget, you can add your favorite audio into this section. And also I have removed the watermark on the last section of the clip. And after that, you can also try to explore more how to use or apply the several effects. For example, in this transition between the clip 2 and 3, I use the oblique effect, oblique blur, like this. And you can choose this oblique blur, and after that it will be placed in the middle of the clip 2 and 3. And you can also put the keyframe, and also for the first keyframe you can adjust the blurry to become this, from this, let's say 50, and you can lighten the intensity to become 0. And after that you can continue to do the effect for the next or the rest of the clip. For example, I will reduce the duration for this clip, and for this clip I will put the transition. For example, I will choose the pull in, and I will reduce the speed. And you can also explore the speed of this transition effect to make sure that your audience can feel the comfortable to see your video. And I finally choose the 2 seconds of the transition, and let's feel the transition. There you go. It's more comfortable to see or comfortable to watch. And also between this clip, you can add the effect by not selecting the one or another clip. Just let it be. And you can go to the video effect over here. For example, I will choose this VHS noise, and you can adjust the intensity or the speed. And you can also manage the length of this effect and make sure that it is comfortable to see. Let's see the result a little bit. I will add the duration a little bit. And as you can see, I put the effect between this clip and this clip. I am using the effect named the Gothic over here. And after you apply this, then you can put it between this clip and clip, so it create the transition effect. So you don't have to use this transition effect, but you can also explore about the effect that CapCut has been provided. Or you can also manage and adjust, let's say, about the intensity. And for example, the size. And you can apply it. And for this next clip, I will also use the Gothic effect. And for this clip, I have put the effect named the fragment clone. And I have adjusted the speed to become 0. And I will also adjust the speed for this video or this clip. And I will reduce the speed of it. And let's feel the result. I think it's better to reduce the speed again. And you can apply it. And after that, I will put the effect for this last clip, I think. Yes, the last clip. For this clip, I use the VHS noise again. And as you can see, this is the result after apply the effect of VHS. And after that, for the last minute of the video, you can add the horizontal close by not selecting any of these clip and click select of the effect and click video effect, and you can choose the opening closing, and you can choose this horizontal closing and apply it. So let's see the result of the whole video. So is there one of you guys that a fan of this movie? And please let us know what you learned about this movie and what value they taught to you. And which part of your favorite of this movie? And which part, because there are the Squid Game from 1, 2 and 3. So that's all guys. Don't forget to explore more and learn more how to use this CapCut, and please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another video tutorial. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.